Okay, we got a 2019 Peterbilt. The way that we did the Excalibur 1670 to arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Okay, locks your doors, arms the alarm. Disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks your doors. Hooked up the power locks too. Locks your doors. Somebody banging the window will fire off. Somebody opens any of the doors, of course, it fires off. Remote start it, you're gonna hit twice. Okay, turns on the ignition. I programmed it for diesel. Gave it that 10-second diesel delay. That way, when you turn the key, it turns on the computer and all the nonsense that the diesel has to turn on in these trucks in order to hit the crank. Now it's going to turn over. The alarm. I hooked it up to flash the lights. Got parking lights. Panic button. If you hold the lock down, you can fire the panic button. We give them a pit stop too. So the way it works is, this is really nice for truck drivers. When you turn the key in ignition, let's say you start the truck. Gotta wait for that delay. You would think after 2019 they can get the icons a little sharper than that. They'll get these kitty drawings after 100 years that they're making these trucks. The alarm will fire off. I mean, the truck started. Okay. Look at the miles on this thing. This thing is brand spanking new, 2019. Okay, let's say you drive somewhere and you want to leave the truck running because you need to take the keys with you. You press this antenna twice. You can remove the key. The truck stays running. This is a pit stop. Okay? And say you want to turn it off sooner, you just press this twice and it will shut off the truck. This is the antenna that gives you a little range on the remote control that you can arm and disarm and remote start it. It has nothing to do with anything. By disconnecting this cable, it would not shut off the alarm in case somebody breaks in. It's got the blue LED light incorporated in the top, so at nighttime it lights up the truck in blue and it flashes. That's pretty much it. I hooked up the door locks for him. Yes, we're based in Miami. If you're watching this video and you're out of state, I do not have anybody in your home state that does this. You're basically gonna have to try to find a load that you got to dump off in Miami, and you give us a call, and then we'll take care of the alarm situation, and you can take care of your load and take care of the alarm and accomplish two things in one trip. But we do not have any techs or anybody out of state to take care of this installation. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814.